Hi, folks. This is Raj, founder of Carigaar. I'm back again with some news and updates. Today, we discuss about small businesses, how small businesses play a vital role in the economy, driving innovation, creating new job opportunities, and contributing to local communities. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur or a small business owner, it's important to understand the key aspect that makes small businesses thrive. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Small businesses indeed play a vital role in our economy for the reasons you mentioned. Here are some of the key aspects that contribute to the success and thriving of small businesses. Small businesses often have the advantage of being more agile and flexible than larger corporations. They can quickly adapt to market changes and experiment, also adapt to new ideas or pivot from their old business model in comparison to a large corporation. Small businesses have the opportunity to provide like a personalized and attentive customer service by approaching customer centric, often leads to customer loyalty, positive words of mouth, and repetitive business. Small businesses that can articulate their unique value proposition effectively have a better chance of attracting customers and standing out in the market. Small business owners have a solid and must have a solid understanding of their finances, like budgeting, cash flow management, profitability analysis, and financial uh, analysis. Maintaining a healthy financial position ensures the stability and allows a growth opportunity for the small business owner. Small businesses also need to establish a strong brand presence and effectively market their product or services, like developing a comprehensive marketing strategy, including online and offline channels that can help small businesses reach their target audience uh, and generate awareness, like social media, content marketing, and customer reviews can be a valuable tool for small businesses to amplify their brand. Small businesses must be able to adapt to the market changes or the conditions and consumer preferences. They should continuously monitor industry trends, stay informed about new technologies, and be willing to take adjustment of their business model. Small businesses can benefit from collaborating with other businesses, both in the industry and in their local community, like building relationships and networking with other entrepreneurs, suppliers, and community organization can lead to a valuable partnership, shared resources, and mutual support. Collaboration can also foster knowledge, exchange ideas, and open door to new opportunities. Also, streamlining business operation, optimizing processes are critical for small businesses to maximize productivity and minimize cost. Investing in technology, then using automation for repetitive tasks, then implementing efficient workflows can help small businesses operate more effectively and focus on core activities. Small business owners should embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated with the industry trends, attending relevant workshop or training programs, and keep mentorship and keep mentorship activities can enhance skills and knowledge. Being open to feedback and proactive uh, approach can improve operations, products, or services and can contribute to a long term success. Small businesses often have a strong connection to their local community. Engaging the community through sponsorship, charitable initiative, or like participating in local events can help the business to grow goodwill and establish like a positive reputation. Supporting the local economy can also lead to an increase of customers or customer loyalty and support from the community. By focusing these key aspects, small business can increase their chances of thriving, achieving sustainable growth, and make positive impact on the economy and their community. So that's everything for us today. Hopefully, this this few these few features or few as key aspects help small businesses and other viewers in the long run. And for us, again, we're gonna come back next week with some new ideas, new news, and updates. So let's help our small businesses in our locality. And everybody have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you.